Too much thunder, not enough rain. Too many programs, not enough praise. Too many people are making too little change. Like too much thunder and not enough rain. Now when Jesus left us, He said to go look for a sinner and not for a show. So tell the story, simple and straight. Save all your thunder till after the rain. Too much thunder, not enough rain. Too many programs, not enough praise. Too many people are making too little change. Like too much thunder and not enough rain.
He still has not made up what to say. He never shuts up any other time.
More than a flower needs it to grow. More than a river needs it to flow. Lord, we need a blessing shower today. More than a thunder, Lord, we need some rain. Too much thunder, not enough rain. Too many programs, not enough praise. Too many people are making too little change. Too much thunder and not enough rain. Too much thunder, not enough rain. Too many programs, not enough praise. Too many people are making too little change. Too much thunder and not enough rain.